We are JPM Atelier. We offer restoration services according to your heart's desire, bringing back a factory fresh condition with a complete engine restoration, bodywork, refreshed upholstery, and even performance upgrades for those who intend to pursue the Restomod direction. JPM Atelier will be collaborating with various workshops and will be fully in charge of monitoring your car with constant updates so you don't have to worry. First, the car will be checked by our professional personnel, then prepare a presentation displaying parts that need to be repaired or changed. After that, upon agreement to the cost of restoration, we will begin to dismantle the whole car down to the smallest pieces. The body and all individual components are inspected entirely. Our aim is to restore the car as the customer's desire. After a thorough inspection, we take the car to our collaborative workshops and the body work starts with the chemical paint stripping, then edge primer to prevent it from rusting again. Our collaborative workshops replace rusty parts by cutting out new sheet metal, shaping it to the factory original design, then welding the newly shaped metal pieces to the car. We also recondition chrome parts to their original condition. Our workshops provide a 10-year warranty for the paint jobs to show how confident we are in our work. As for the interior, parts that need to be restored in the interior will be sent to another workshop to begin the new leather wrapping. Our interior shops will strip down the old leather and replace it with new one. A whole new exhaust system will be replaced to ensure smooth sounding system. For engine repair, we will send it to our trustworthy workshop where most of the JPM cars are sent. Faulty parts will be replaced, reusable parts will be restored. Your car will carefully reassemble into a masterpiece. All components are tested and evaluated intensively by our team before test driving is beauty on the streets. The final test drive will be done by the owner to ensure satisfaction. Are you ready to restore the classic car of your dreams? We can't wait to make it into a reality. We restore cars you love. JPM Atelier.